Thank you, Ivan. Toss your bag up front there. Yeah. Can you buckle up your bros? Well, let's show all the other kids how we do up a seatbelt.
Pick up the.
Can you help Richard?
I picked it up the caliper. It was nice and
Slide that up the belt.
soft and nice and toast
Click it in the
and
latch.
soft too. So he followed, and then I picked him
Sharp as
up,
click.
and then I put him in the rug to keep him warm.
Perfect. I got yours. Yeah. Can you get Adam's?
Caterpillar.
Watch what he does here, guys.
Powder.
See, he slides it up, and pulls it out and over. Good job, Ivan. Buckle it in. Be careful.
When mom Dad, made out of metal.
That is made out of metal. You don't want to get hit with that.
Yeah, that didn't hurt your eye.
You might have to hold both pieces. Oh, you got it. Did you get it? That's buckled. Hey, good job, Ivan. Thumbs up. Ah, that was weird. High five. Fist bump. Thumbs up. What's all over your face? Is that dirt?